Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jackie and today I've got something special that I'm so excited to share with you. Before we get started, I'd like to thank my sponsor, Mrs. Quilty, for supporting this video. They've got something really exciting I can't wait to share with you. And be sure to check out the description box below for the subscription link and a discount code just for you, my viewers. Let's get started. This, my friends, is the Mrs. Quilty box, your go-to for quilting joy in a box. Whether you're just starting out or a seasoned pro, these kits are perfect for every skill level. And I want to tell you that each subscription follows a set sequence. So no matter where you start, you'll always receive the first box in the series. It's like taking an inspiring quilting journey step by step with all the fun and none of the guesswork. By shipping the boxes in this order, Mrs. Quilty makes sure everyone gets the full experience from the beginning. No one misses out, and you get to build your quilting skills at your own pace. All right, let's see what's inside. First of all, can we take a moment to enjoy how beautiful the packaging is? Just beautiful. And I like this because you know I like to reuse things. You can store things in these boxes when you're done. So first of all, let's look at this fabric. So beautiful. You will receive 12 fat quarters. These are so beautiful. Let's take a look at the fabrics. This is blue. And I must say, the quality is very nice. And I just want to show you each one so you know how they coordinate. So cute, the dots. I'm so excited because you know normally I'm working with scrap fabric. So pretty. You know I love florals. I use a lot of them. Can you imagine what you could make? So those are the fabrics. And again, you get 12 fat quarters and they're 100% cotton. In each box, you receive the Mrs. Quilty magazine. It's packed with articles, tips, and guides. It's like a little quilting retreat in print form. It has the table of contents. You'll get a cozy welcome from Mrs. Quilty. Talks about your quilting journey. You can even craft your own quilting vision. Oh, and did I mention tutorial videos? These walk you through every step so you can learn the new techniques without any stress. Whether you're a visual learner or prefer written instructions, you get both for free. And I kind of like them both. It'll take you step by step through the quilting guide. So if you're just getting started, and it tells you about the top 10 quilting tools, and then it tells you what's in each box. The 12 fat quarters, the monthly magazine. In this box, I'll show you the free gifts in a moment. And we will receive instructions for making the cozy mosaic block. And it has the pattern with instructions, a pot holder, a quilt as you go mug rug pattern. And you know I love quilt as you go. And the quilted placemat pattern. And in today's box, you are receiving, and it comes packaged in this cute little bag that you could use for something else. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a 6.5-inch ruler. It looks like this, and I do love my rulers. And you'll get some pins. You can never have enough pins. So for this box, that's what you would get. It tells you the names of the fabrics. So if you need some extra, you're working on a project, there's a QR code, you can order more. It gives you instructions on basic piecing and the instructions for all of the projects. And it tells you what level it is. So this says beginning. Today we're going to make the Cozy Mosaic quilt block. This is the block of the month. And it tells you exactly what you're going to need for fabric and the fabric requirements and how to cut them. You could also make a pot holder. And I will have some future videos showing how I do these extra projects. And it will tell you when there is a video tutorial included, which is really nice, so you can follow along. And oh yes, recipes. We need snacks while we're quilting, right? In this month's booklet, it was oatmeal cookies for crafting breaks. And there's also a huge community for sharing your creations on Instagram and Facebook. And on the back it says, when life gives you scraps, make a quilt. Isn't that the truth? And I like on the inside of the box, keep calm and quilt on. Quilting is so much more than fabric and thread. It's a form of self-care. Immersing yourself in a project can melt away stress and bring so much peace. And when you finish a quilt project, that feeling of accomplishment, it's like sunshine for your soul. Plus every new technique you master, it boosts your confidence, proving to yourself that you can learn and grow at any age. I've found sewing and quilting to be such a beautiful way to express creativity and bless others. Here it is. And I have to tell you, this is my first pieced quilt block ever. I'm not kidding. Because if you've been a subscriber to my channel for any length of time, you know that I use scraps and just sew them together. Is this perfect? No. You can see there's some places where I'll need to trim, but that's fine. The instructions in this book, I just followed step by step, and I actually did my first half square triangle. So you just follow the instructions to cut everything out, and they take you step by step. Thank you, Mrs. Quilty. This is awesome. And this is such a pretty quilt block. And let me tell you that Mrs. Quilty is very flexible on the subscriptions. If you need a break, no problem. You just pause it anytime. And then you can pick back up whenever you want to. And also you can cancel anytime, hassle-free. So that makes it so much easier to go at your own pace. This makes it so much easier to go at your own pace without feeling overwhelmed. Ordering is super simple. Once you place your order, you'll receive your order within 2 to 6 days. That's pretty quick, right? And if for any reason you're not satisfied, there's an easy returns policy and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Mrs. Quilty really wants you to enjoy your experience. Now's your chance to subscribe. Be sure to check out the link and discount code in the description box below. And if you're looking for the perfect gift, this is it. Whether for yourself or another quilter, each box feels like Christmas morning. The Ultimate Quilting Guide, the Quilting Journal, the Quilting Planner, the best-selling kitty pattern, and all those wonderful video tutorials, all free. And whether you follow what's in the guide, the projects, or you put your own spin on it, which is what I do most of the time with all my stuff, the finished quilt blocks and gifts you make will be full of meaning and love. So what are you waiting for? Go click that link, get that discount code. And I am a true beginner and I did this today. Thanks for watching today. And don't forget to share this video with your sewing and quilting friends. And until the next video, God bless you and your family.